Right, welcome back to Channel 1 Tours. We're here in Antalya. I thought I'd start you off here. Check out these views. Get off my face. But yeah, that's a little port down there. You can get your boat trips, all your excursions. It's a nice lift there. Everyone enjoying their food. All the restaurants. Let's get down to the marina. Let's go and have a little look. So you've got a mosque over there. But we're going to walk down. We're not going to go down the elevator. Check the cats out. Plenty of cats and stray dogs around here. Check out that place. Lovely. Yeah, so write in the comments if you've been to Antalya before. Guess these are little bars for night time. Oh, holiday tattoo. Must be a henna sign. Yeah, where do you stay when you come to Antalya? We're staying in Beldibi. But tonight we're going to go over to Alana. Check all this out. Very cool. A little cow there. It's nice and cool around here at the moment. It's roasting on that bus that we got down there. It's so packed. I had to ram you in. There's nowhere to sit.
Da stehen die ganzen Siete, guck mal.
So yeah, that's where we just started up there. Quite a quick walk down actually. All your bags. Check all these little lanterns out. Very cool. And inside as well. Check all them out. Very, very cool. Hello. Ah, okay, thank you. So yeah, plenty of clothes shops, as always. So check out these boats. Oh, fresh fish here. How come all the boats are in, eh? I mean, in Marmaris, all the boats are gone for about 6 hours. That's that steakhouse fish. Cocktails, look how expensive they are. It's a tenner a cocktail. Hello, sir. Yeah, the boat's not busy today. It is, what day are we on? Monday. So maybe it's just not a busy time for them. Wonder if they do the same deals as in Marmaris. So guys, yeah, remember to like, share, comment. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed as well, because 90% of you guys who watch our videos are not subscribed. Let's go and show you the restaurants at the back quickly. But yeah, make sure you subscribe up. Check out these old cannons. Must have pulled them out of the water. Water. Our good friend Kevin, Scotsman Kevin, was just here not so long ago. Prices are a bit blurred out on that one. A nice coconut water. I've got a little karaoke bar up here. Let's go have a little look. That's where you get the lift. Yeah, lovely little place. Do like old towns.
Ja, wir haben Himbeer, Granatapfel und
One-eyed cat. Feels like it could rain today. I feel like it could feel rain actually. Oh, check out this lot. Little Cinderella at the back there. Some prices there for the cafe. Cafe 115. Yeah guys, send this one here, so cheers for watching and catch you in the next one.